Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you get the tasks to do in order to earn from Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to get the task, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet at very first, and after opening just simply tap to More button. After tapping in there, you will get to see this option of task to get into earn section. Tap to task to get, and from this section you will get to see these options of hot task into here. Just simply select many tasks from this section. As you can see here, there is this task of BEVM mainnet. Just simply tap into that, and then you will get this task as exchange USDT from any chain for BTC, GAS or BEVM. Just simply complete that task. In order to do that, tap to interact now, and you'll be redirected to a new page. Now you can start the task, and when you complete you will get some points and you can get benefits from them. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.